We're here in New Prague, Minnesota. We're here with Travis Kabish. He's been a supporter of Evolution Wheel for a few years now. He's purchased a couple sets of our Telehandler tires, and we're actually going to do an install video for our further customers out there. So Travis, appreciate you having us out.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
We'll get her done. Well, we don't have to make a bloopers video.
There we go. Good start. Good start to the day.
You don't need a new door on the back of your van. That is a sharp knife. Be very cautious.
Looks like it, yep.
Too much mud on everything.
A little tight.
No.
Easy to take off, a little tougher to put on when they're 850 pounds.
No. We got her down. It's easy.
I trust you.
I think I did it myself. Apparently they're beveled too, so you want to probably put them back on that way.
Yeah. Huh. I don't know if I've ever seen a beveled locking washer like this before.
You're on the same page as me.
Strange.
Obviously I've never had to take these off because they're solid filled. You never have to take them off.
Yeah. Yeah.
Except for they don't work because they're bald.
Right.
So and then if you want to get them replaced, it costs a bunch of money because you got to have somebody cut the tire off.
Yeah.
And then if you want them foam filled again, then that costs a lot more money.
Right.
At least with that, if they go bald, you just replace treads.
Exactly.
And then your wheel is fine. This side's out, right? I'm pretty sure this side's out. Yep, that's good. Okay, spin it that way just a little. It'll spin. Okay. There we go. So when you load them on a trailer,
Yeah.
lulls are a little narrower with the stock wheels. So this will actually be, when we get them on, it'll still be under 8 feet, but it'll be wider than it was before.
Okay.
Well, there we go. Pretty easy, really.
Yeah.
All right, on to the next one.
So you'll notice on all of our Telehandler tires that we run a 1-inch offset on everything. That's basically to match either the offset or width of the machine. So when you want to mount them on, you know, take your best efforts into noting which side is going to be most appropriate for how you want to operate that machine or for trailer loading and transport.
Apparently we're both getting ahead of ourselves. We gotta take that one off first too. We'll just set this right here.
We got ahead of ourselves, yeah?
All right, snug.
I think that's probably pretty good. Come on, you whore. Bleep that out. Did you get it right on? Fuck, you're good.
Oh, we're almost done. Only one to go. Time for lunch almost.
Oh, we're getting close.
Are we going out for lunch or are you leaving right away?
No, we can go for lunch.
Well, I should just go show off how tough I am and just pick that thing up. Ah!
Yeah.
That part don't like that. Oh, yeah! See? If you want to market, you got to bring these to the strongman competitions and make some guys carry them around.
That's actually a hell of an idea.
Yeah.
I think you would have had it there if the pallet wouldn't have messed you up.
I know. I can do anything once. Figure you wanted some time with that impact.
Yeah, I need to let out a bit of aggravation and rage.
Yeah.
You got a sledgehammer anywhere?
That thing's heavier than a sledgehammer.
Should be good.
All right.
Well, that wraps up our tire install video in New Prague, Minnesota. I'd like to thank Travis Kabish from KCS Inc. for having us down and being able to do that. I'm Justin with Evolution Wheel. That's everything you need to know about installing our telehandler tires.